Streaming skyrocketing your TikTok creativity program beta RPM game with powerful AI tools, they're practically kept secret. We're unveiling the revolutionary new AI TikTok video generators that top creators use for TikTok automation and dominate TikTok. This text-to-video AI tool is so new and under the radar that they're changing the game before anyone even knows it exists. Do you need help to keep up with the latest video trends? Picture yourself effortlessly mastering TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Snapchat. In today's fast-paced world, creating engaging content can be a challenge. But what if there were a way to simplify the process and achieve stunning results? Introducing ShortMake, an AI video maker platform equipped with powerful AI tools designed to streamline your content creation workflow. Tired of managing multiple freelancers for your TikTok content? The new AI tool ShortMake can streamline your workflow. This innovative platform allows you to automate various aspects of TikTok content creation with a single click. It can potentially save you valuable time and resources. Focus on your creative vision while ShortMake handles tasks such as content writing, video editing, and even voiceover generation. Start growing your audience and potentially unlocking new earning opportunities on TikTok. Begin by accessing the ShortMake website through the link found in the video description below. Become a member of their Discord community and engage in the event for an opportunity to obtain a complimentary premium account. Additionally, you have the option to explore topics concerning AI-generated video production and identifying a suitable niche, among others. Now, let's delve into the details of pricing. You have the opportunity to trial this AI tool at no cost. Should it meet your expectations, you may opt for their creator plan, which is currently offered at a 66% discount for the initial month. This exclusive promotion is reserved for followers of Learnify AI. Take advantage of this offer if the tool proves beneficial for you. Navigate to the homepage and select the Start for Free button. Proceed by signing in with Google. Once you've set up your free account, you'll be directed to the main dashboard, which boasts an AI video editing user-friendly interface. To commence your first video project, simply click on Project. In the initial section, you'll focus on conceptualizing your idea. Enter the genre of video you wish to produce, or select the custom script style to pick from a variety of formats such as storytime, motivation, quick tips, or life hacks. Alternatively, you can utilize the auto mode for automated suggestions. An additional impressive capability of this tool is its ability to replicate the style of widely recognized TikTok videos. Detailed instructions on this feature will be provided subsequently. For now, let's proceed to craft our inaugural video utilizing the motivational style, aligning with the theme of motivational quotes that characterize your account. To generate a concept for your video, you can either brainstorm your own idea or seek inspiration for a motivational quote prompt. Once you have your prompt, return to ShortMake and paste it into the designated area to begin creating your content with a motivational theme. With the free version, you're allotted a character limit of 200. Simply input the first 200 characters of your topic or idea. Then, scroll down to choose the video language options include English, French, Spanish, or German. I'll select English. Next, click on the Generate Script button. Within moments, it will craft a compelling script for your TikTok short video. You can review the script, make edits, or regenerate it if it doesn't align with your vision. Indeed, the tool's ability to produce remarkable scripts can be a significant asset for your content creation. If you're utilizing a TikTok monetized account, remember that your video should exceed 1 minute in duration to comply with the platform's requirements. As you proceed, select your preferred background music. The convenience of this tool lies in its automatic selection of motivational tunes that complement the theme of your video. This feature indeed streamlines the process, sparing you the hassle of hunting for the perfect soundtrack. It's designed to save valuable time, allowing you to focus more on content creation. After choosing a track that resonates with your video, proceed to the voiceover options. On a free account, you're provided with 2 voice options. For access to a wider range of more lifelike voices, consider transitioning to the premium plan. Now, let's experience a sample of what this tool's voiceover can offer.
Hi, I'm Leo, and I am a more realistic voice than you might expect. Please choose me.
Hi, I'm Andre, and I am a more realistic voice than you might expect.
Hi, I'm Nicholas in version 2 of Nicholas Voice, and I am a more realistic voice than you might expect.
Hi, I'm Clara, and I am a more realistic voice than you might expect.
Hi, I'm Matt. I specialize in creating TikTok content, and I am a more realistic voice than you might expect.
Hi, I'm Brandon, and I am a more realistic voice than you might expect.
Hi, I'm Joe, and I am a more realistic voice than...
Hi, I'm Sam, and I am a more realistic voice than...
My name is Lucas, and I'm a realist.
Hi, I'm Kratos.
My name is Myra, and I'm a realistic voice.
Hi, I'm Ira, and I'm a more realistic voice than you might...
Hi, I'm Laura.
Hi.
Hey, I'm Sarah.
Hi, my name's Dan, and here's a little snippet of my voice, so...
Hey, my name is Mister. This is a short extract of my voice.
Select a voiceover that suits your preference. Following that, choose an AI image style that aligns with your video's theme. Options range from realistic and 3D styles to various forms of artwork. Once you've made your selection, click on the Generate Video button and allow a few minutes for your video to be created.
Ancient truths. As the sun paints the sky in hues of gold, we are reminded of the beauty in new beginnings. Embrace the day with a heart full of gratitude and a mind open to endless possibilities. Let the dawn be a gentle...
Once your video has been generated, it's time to fine-tune it to perfection. Start by visiting the subtitle section and choose a template that appeals to you. Feel free to edit the subtitles to correct any errors. Next, head over to the image edit section, a crucial step for enhancing your video's visual appeal. If the background image isn't to your liking, simply select Generate New Image. You also have the option to alter the image style, adding an extra layer of creativity to your video. Review all the background images and adjust them to fit your vision. Then, proceed to the Advanced section to select a video overlay. An overlay introduces visual elements to your video, including text, graphics, or images. It not only elevates the aesthetic of your video but also offers extra details or context, thereby making it more captivating and informative for your audience. After you've completed the edits, click on the Download button to obtain your first video demo. To craft a video with a viral flair, select the custom script style. You'll need the URL of a popular TikTok video. Visit TikTok, locate a viral video, and copy its URL. Return to ShortMake and paste the URL. Then, decide on the video type or opt for auto. Input or paste your video concept, choose the language, and hit Generate Video Script to create your script. Select your background music and voiceover to match the theme of your video. As previously outlined, follow the initial steps to finalize your creation. Now, you're all set to produce a viral video with ShortMake. Here's the second video demo.
Embrace the journey, trust the process. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Stay strong, stay positive.
Having observed both demo videos, which highlight the editing style, script, and voice modulation, it's evident that even in its beta phase, ShortMake AI is a formidable tool. It's revolutionizing the way we create captivating content for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. If this video has been beneficial and provided you with new knowledge, I'd appreciate it if you could like it and share it with your friends. Your support is incredibly valuable. Keep an eye out for upcoming AI tutorials. Remember to subscribe and activate notifications to remain informed about the latest developments in AI. If you want to watch Faceless WWE News YouTube channel 100% free tools and no copyright worries YouTube automation, click on left. If you're interested in new AI humanoid robot shakes up the industry, Unitree G1 Boston Dynamics and beats Tesla bot, click on right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.